Manungkot is a captivating hill station that offers a breathtaking view of Damoli Bazar, surrounding mountains and various rivers like Madi, Seti, etc. Manungkot stands at an elevation of 1,000 meters above sea level. It's conveniently located 150 kilometers from Kathmandu and 43 kilometers from Pokhara. You can reach the hill station with a 30-minute drive from the Prithvi Highway. Travelers can reach Damoli by a private vehicle or public bus from Kathmandu or Pokhara. From Damoli, a private vehicle, bike, or a 2-hour hike will lead you to the hill station. Manungkot promises a captivating sunrise surrounded by white clouds in the early morning. The view extends to showcase snow-capped mountains like Annapurna, Dhaulagiri, Manaslu, and Himchili. In addition to the mountains, visitors can also enjoy the scenic beauty of the lush hills and pasture lands. Manungkot is not just a visual delight but also undergoing essential developments. A new view tower offers elevated scenic views, while black paved roads from lower to upper grounds enhance travel and water transport. Tourists can now enjoy overnight stays in open hotels and explore camping options as well. Local traditional food also adds a flavorful touch to the experience.